Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about some new updates of Trado and some login issues in some particular broker. Now our updated URL is trado.trade. After visiting this trado.trade, you can go to this terminal and see we have this 6 broker live, and in this 6 brokers you will not face any issues in finvasia login, in Angel One login and in Fire's login, because in these 3 brokers you have to not give any redirect URL. But in some brokers like Upstock, Giroda and Flatrate, in these 3 brokers you have to give some redirect URL. Now our domain is changed, that's why you have to change your redirect URL also. Like if I open this Upstock one, see we have given some notes also, some important notes, and our redirect URL is also changed. Now you have to use this new redirect URL to create a new API keys. Create some new API keys using this redirect URL. Like copy this redirect URL and go to this broker's API page and simply see, I've already changed my redirect URL. You have to also change this redirect URL and create a new app and then simply accept it and done. Okay, and with that new updated APIs you can log in Upstock. Okay, like I haven't used my updated API keys. If I click on sign in button, then see it will give some error, status errors. Okay, this type of error we will get. Okay, so you have to use your updated API keys, then you will not face that issues. Like I can use my updated API key. Okay, and see Upstock, then simply go here, copy this one, this API key. Okay, instead of this API key I will be giving my new API key, and in API secret key also I can copy this one, go here and then simply change this. Okay, now see if I click on sign in, see now it's getting signed in. I have to give my pin also, pin to login. Simply login. See now this broker is connecting with the broker server. Okay, similarly you have to log in with, currently price is not showing, you can click on this reset button. Now see all the prices are set and now it's getting updated automatically. Similarly you have to do the same things in Giroda and in Flatrate. In Giroda also click on open. See here also you have to give the redirect URL, this redirect URL. Now you have to copy this new redirect URL and go to your Giroda's API key page, and from here you can change this redirect URL and simply save it. Okay, similarly you have to do for the Flatrate also. Simply click on this open button and see here also we have given redirect URL. Copy this page and if you click on this open in new tab, this page will open. Here also you have to give your new redirect URL. Okay, or create a new API key with the new redirect URL. Okay, with this process you will be able to log in all the 6 brokers easily. Okay, if you still face any issues you can contact us on our WhatsApp or on our Telegram channel. We will resolve your issues. Okay, thank you.